I'm Daniel. Thanks for taking a look at my teaching sample. This is a question I'm really excited about because it looks hard on the surface, but it's actually based on some fundamental concepts that you've been learning for a while. So once you put those things together, everything starts to fall into place. Why don't we take a look at the question? The question reads, if 3x minus y equals 12, what is the value of a to the power of x over 2 to the power of y? Right away, I can tell this is an algebra question because I see an equation given. In the fraction, I also see exponents, so this will more specifically be a question about exponents. And I know that there are special rules that help me solve exponents questions. When I identify the topic like this, that helps make my problem solving a lot more efficient and focused. Let's take a look at the fraction given. I see a to the power of x over 2 to the power of y, and I know that all fractions are just another representation of division. So I can rewrite this as a to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y. And this reminds me of an exponent rule I know, which is that if I divide two exponents with the same base, then I can combine them into one expression by subtracting the exponents. Unfortunately, 8 and 2 are not the same base, so I can't use this rule yet. However, I do know that 8 is equal to 2 to the third power. So that means that 8 to the power of x should be equal to 2 to the third power to the power of x. And this reminds me of another exponent rule I know, that if I take the exponent of an exponent, then I can combine the exponents using multiplication. So 2 to the third power to the power of x can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 3 times x. And now I can simplify my original division into 2 to the power of 3x divided by 2 to the power of y. And now I can apply my first exponent rule. This will simplify to 2 to the power of 3x minus y. And if I look in the question, it tells us that 3x minus y equals 12. So the final step is to substitute my exponent and get the final answer of 2 to the 12th power, which is answer choice A. So after solving a question like this, I like to review the key takeaways with the student. And the way I do that is on a Google Doc. So this document is shared with the student, and you will be able to see all this information outside of our sessions. The question we just went over was about exponents, so I have a graphic here which shows those. I included the question, and finally, I included a tip for solving questions like this in the future. The purpose of keeping a document like this is so that without my guidance, you're also able to self-study and you'll be able to be a better learner on your own.